बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल all about ideas. So how are you guys? I hope so guys, you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you most stunning and most demanding seashell candle decoration ideas. These are super unique and incredible handmade seashell candle centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. These are top trending and top unique seashell candle ideas for you guys. These are super amazing ideas for you guys. I hope so you enjoyed these type of seashell painting ideas or candles design. You also watch different kind of craft videos on my channel like pebble craft, make cream craft, wreath design and so on. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Always take care guys. Always be happy. And if you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are incredible and